Hi Neelam, I'm here. Today I'm going to teach you here chapter number 11, triangles and quadrilaterals. Today my topic is angle sum property of a triangle. Okay. The sum of all the three interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. For this I will teach you by activity method. Here first of all you will cut a triangle. Okay, you will cut a triangle. Okay, it may be of any shape, but it should be a triangle. Then with the help of compasses you will draw here arcs for angles. Okay, with the help of compasses. Okay, here in this way, three of the angles. Keep the pointed part on vertex and draw an arc here. Okay, you will draw three angles here with the help of compasses. Okay, after that you will name these angles: angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Okay, you will now with the help of scissors you will cut the angles here with the help of scissor. Here angle 1, angle 2 and this is angle 3. Cut with the help of scissors. Now you are having three angles: angle 1, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Three of angles are with you. Now you will draw here a straight angle. Straight angle is of how much? 180 degree. Now all the three cut angles will be placed here. This arc should be upward. Okay, arrange in this way. Angle 1, you can paste these angles 1, 2, 3 this with glue. Angle 1, here angle 1, then angle 2, this angle 2. This arc should be upward. Okay, then take angle 3. Here you will see कि sum of the three angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. Okay, this is always equal to 180 degree. You can start placing here along with this vertex. Angle 1, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is always equal to 180 degree. You can say कि the sum of all the three interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Okay, for that you will, I am repeating the steps. You will first of all cut a triangle and with the help of compasses make an arc for angles 1, 2 and 3. Then cut these angles, cut all these three angles here, 1, 2, 3 angle, name them. Then place on straight angle, you know, that is 180 degree. Okay, you will learn by activity method after placing all the three angles along with this straight angle ki all the three angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. That is equal to always 180 degree. Okay, after placing you will see ki this is straight angle being formed with the help of three interior angles, angle 1 of triangle, that the angles are angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Means sum of all the three interior angle of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. Okay. And you will do yourself by cutting triangles, okay, and making angles with the help of these arcs here, with the help of here these compasses, with the help of compasses. Otherwise the angles will be smaller or bigger. Okay, then comes other properties of here triangle. In equilateral triangle, as you know, all the angles of a triangle is always 180 degree, but in an equilateral triangle the three angles are equal and each angle equals 60 degree. In an equilateral triangle each angle is of measure 60 degree in case of an equilateral triangle. Then isosceles triangles, as you know, when two sides of a triangle are of equal length and third side is of different length, that triangle is called isosceles triangle. Okay. For isosceles triangle this symbol is given, means these two sides are equal. Okay, then property based on this isosceles triangle, it is in an isosceles triangle the angles opposite the equal sides are also equal, or equal sides have equal angles opposite to them. This is here an isosceles triangle and these two sides are of equal length and angles, angle A will be is equal to angle C, means equal sides have equal angles opposite to them. Angle A will be is equal to, these two sides are of equal length and this side is of different length, and this is an isosceles triangle. So we can conclude ki angle A is equal to angle C, means equal sides have equal angles opposite to them. And sum of all the three angles in a scalene triangle, as you know, a scalene triangle, all the three sides of the triangle are of different lengths. The angles opposite to the largest side is the greatest angle in a triangle, or the side opposite to the greatest angle is the largest side of the triangle. Here ABC is a scalene triangle with AB as the largest side. AB is the largest side. Okay, AB is the largest side. Then angle C will be greater than angle B, and angle C will also be greater than angle A. Then angles opposite side AB is angle C. Angle C is greater than B and angle C is greater than angle A. We can say कि in a scalene triangle the angle opposite to the largest side is the greatest angle in triangle. Here AB is the largest side and angle opposite to this is angle C. and this will be greater than angle A, and this angle will be also greater than angle B. And you will complete 11.1 exercise, all based on the properties of triangle here. Okay, you will complete question number 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2 also based on angle sum property. Okay, here in question number 2 you will solve it by angle sum property. You will add both of these two angles and subtract from 180 degree. The sum of these two angles, subtract from 180 degree, and if it is 90 degree, the difference of the sum of two from 180 degree, if it is 90 degree, then you can say ki the triangle are right angle triangle by using that angle sum property. Okay, so stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, keep proper distance from each other, be protected from COVID-19. Thank you and have a nice day.